Welcome back. Well, it was indeed another hot one across Acadiana. 100 degrees for the third day in a row, but this stretch of 100-degree weather should come to an end tomorrow. Last year, we had a stretch of 12 or 15 days and then another stretch of 8 or 9 days of 100-degree temperatures. We're not going to have that this year, but we are going to continue to see pretty hot weather for at least the next week to 10 days. So let's get over to the weather wall, and we did set a record. 82 degrees was a record morning low, beating 81 that was set just back in 2023 last summer. 103 in 1962, the record on this date. We still have some dates of the past that were hot as well, naturally speaking, but we're seeing more and more record lows and highs in the last 20 to 30 years than we've seen in the previous 100 years. That's the trend, and way above normal. 75, 93. High pressure, the dominant feature, will take it. It keeps the tropics at bay, and it's going to stay in place and allow for a northerly wind, a little bit of a frontal trough that's going to come on through and help cool us down. That might be not the best word, but bring our temperatures down a few degrees or make it a little bit less hot. Then we have Debbie, the upper level low that's with Debbie, and then another upper low that's not doing anything out in north of the Bahamas. So here's the big picture. High pressure is still pretty much in charge in dry conditions, so nothing going on the radar locally. Meanwhile, it's another story with Debbie here. Tropical depression now, but still producing the threat of very heavy rainfall. Got 3 tornado warnings going, tornado watch area for a good part of North Carolina and Virginia. And then you get this water into higher terrain of the Appalachians, and you're going to have some major flash flooding as well. So this will be a problem maker, but it should begin to accelerate. It's been moving awfully slow. Should make a run to the north more quickly as we head into the days ahead. Meanwhile, locally, all of the Doppler sweeps are nice and quiet across the region, so great news for us. And the Gulf is nice and quiet for now. We get out into the Atlantic Basin, and the National Hurricane Center is starting to track this feature way out here in the far eastern Atlantic. Do notice there are a couple of more monsoonal troughs that will come through Africa, and it looks like that one there may develop down the line. So we got this one right here that the Hurricane Center started commenting on earlier today, and we're already up to a medium chance of development at about 40%. This is the way it's going to go all summer long. We're going to talk about potential systems and systems that are going. We have Debbie going right now, potential system here, and we'll have more down the road, and it'll be 2 or 3 per week once we get into September, the way the numbers are flushing out. But we can't tell you where these storms are going to go. Now, look where this one is highlighted, and it's going to be a 7-day period, so we bring in the European model, and it captures the feature right here, and it looks like we could have a tropical depression, maybe a tropical storm by the eastern Caribbean, and then it moves through the Caribbean, could interact with land. We don't know that, but the Euro wants to turn it out into the open Atlantic. We'll keep our fingers crossed on that. We're only going out 7 days, and the GFS model showing much the same. Here's the latest GFS run showing an organized system, maybe a tropical storm going through the Caribbean, could become a hurricane down the line, and then something that's by the southeast Bahamas, Hispaniola, that may curve and react to this upper level trough to the north, but it's never over until those storms are north of Florida and moving out into the Atlantic for any Gulf threats, but I don't see it being a Gulf threat. So here we have this weak little frontal trough pushing on through. Temperatures closer to the mid to upper 90s versus upper 90s, low 100s, and it should be a little bit more comfortable at night. Tonight, tomorrow night especially, and then as we get into Saturday, notice the model wants to go mid to upper mid 90s for the most part, but we'll go with some upper 90s. Some showers over southeast Louisiana. We could see that in the days ahead, but not much locally going on until we get into next week, when we should see a better chance of an afternoon shower or a storm. Temperature-wise, well, we know the temperature's a little bit cooler, and this is the heat index for tomorrow. Not too bad, 103, even some upper 90s. What's going on there? It's a nice reprieve, and we'll take it, even though we're still going to be quite warm. Tonight, though, we should get below 80. Fingers crossed there, so not quite as uncomfortable as it has been. Then for tomorrow, back into the mid to upper 90s, 96 to 98 would be the call for tomorrow, but again, lower humidity and a nice breeze tomorrow out of the north-northeast at about 6 to 12. Into that 10-day forecast we go, mid to upper 90s. That'll be the norm, but we'll add the chance of a few afternoon showers or storms next week, but don't count on a whole lot of rain anytime soon. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up a little later on.